My brother was kidnapped on the way traveling, and the police refusing us to go after the kidnappers in the bush, and they are here with us with fully armed. What are Nigeria police turning into? Man cries out. My people, oh, he don't read though. This our brother don't cry come outside though. Say that they gbagbo him brother for road though, and now they tell police people when they enter inside though, go find those people we carry him brother, and the police no gree, and they see am for their face for this video wey we go play you. Things are happening for inside Nigeria. Abeg o, make try protect yourself at all costs because things dey happen. As that one dey happen, they say that the Asari Dokubo, this man, I don't know who they say this thing give this man. No, Asari may try to change somebody. He said that in papa be Igbo, so him be Igbo as well. Asari Dokubo are now begging the Igbo people with indirect way. When I go watch am for this video, as this one dey happen, they say that that our brother when you see how we can demolish in estate for inside Abuja, the man don't talk say that even though we can become old, he must pay for everything wey damage for inside that place. Things they happen, my people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. My people, may you share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates. Let's jump into the matter. Go know wetin they go on for inside the area today. One man don't cry come outside though, say that for crocodile eyes. Now these people wey dey condom come wey be kidnap. Now so they carry him brother enter inside bush. As they enter inside the bush, police come. They say police make they enter inside bush go track those people. The police no gree, you know, have allow them to go as well. Things they happen. Oh, I've been a Colombian business, now come be that one. But however, let's play the video. May you watch as the man tell they talk am.
Watch, yeah, even now Nigeria police people. I don't have a for now. My uncle get kidnapped, I get there for now. And I'm going to police car by him off here. The police have one. I know you with God. Whatever we tell you, I'm not going to make a man in Nigeria. See the police people, Sam. This is the commander. You can't enter bush. Come on, see. Police kidnappers, you never get there for now. Police people are here. They can't enter that bush. They are here telling me they can't go anywhere. See them here. See police people, see them. All of them one by one. Come on, 15, Sam. Sam, see name. Yeah, but the police not tell about. They kidnap somebody now from my uncle kidnap now. They can't go and look for my brother. They say they can't go to that bush. Sam, see them. Look them one by one. Sam, look them one by one. They can't go and get my brother. They say they don't get that bush. They are afraid. They say that they are afraid. Police people say they are afraid.
My people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, maybe you don't see him. So you better know how you go take do your waka for inside Nigeria, because everywhere you don't read. As that one they happen, may you watch him. The Asari Dokubo, he don't come outside the content Igbo. Same be their brother. I beg, may they forgive him for the whole year when don't talk for inside his mouth. Watch the video as he take the head up butter.
I am Ediabali today. Ediabali is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abam. He's from Obom in Abam. From there, his family went to Bosi in Anambra State before they came to New Calabar. He's an Igbo man. I am Ediabali. So when somebody say Igbo, no, I am. Yes, the name I answered today, the stool on which I sit today, which was created as one of the first volcano houses to be created. In fact, among the first 5 to be created in Calabar land. Ediabali became the richest man of his time. He's an Igbo man, 100%. And he never denied being an Igbo man. So I, his worthy descendant, will not deny. I have my disagreement with Igbo, but I cannot. So also is bricks. So also is Asfor. Young priests, all sworn. Ediabali. My father, Wananako. These are all Igbo men. Uzoma. Elebike. Elebuke. Odikadibia. David Wells. Elebuke Wells. These are all Igbos. Let nobody come and be denying that, hey, we are not Igbos, we are not this, we are not that. It's a lie. These people are Igbos. They're Igbos. So slave trade brought enormous wealth. And it's also brought some sort of destabilization. It destabilized the society. Because some people brought with them so many things. The population of the Ijaw people in Calabar and in Bonny was overwhelmed by inflow of Igbo and Ibibio influence. But more of Igbo. Why Calabar was able to totally assimilate all others who came in contact with them. Bonny was not able to do so. Okrika was not able to do so. That's why you go to Ganama or Akadama, these places, they are speaking Igbos. But in Calabar, no Calabar community speaks Igbo. In fact, even people they brought from Igbo yesterday, after today, they find it difficult to speak Igbo. So, like I said, I am historical correction officer. We have to tell our children our history. True. And leave this falsehood. Tell our history. We should not be ashamed of who we are. We should not be ashamed of who we are. It's not because somebody is making claim, we are going to deny because a man is making claim. Whether Igbo people make claim or not, that's their bloody business. That will not stop us from saying that this is what we are, who we are. And we stand up to who we are. We keep record of who we are. We tell the world who we are. We stand so that from that we can draw our strength. We can become who we really are. Today everybody is fabricating. Everybody is doing this. Why the fabrication?
My wonderful people, most of una go dey confused for this Asari Dokubo dey talk for here, but however, it don't be as it be. All of una will leave your ancestor, go dey sell your own people for inside bag. You go receive am hot and you go come back. E quickly come o, may no dey late for you. As this one dey happen, let's go hear wetin this our brother wey near here Wike do 30 for inside Abuja talk.
Not issue of a matter of dispute. It is issue that Wike is interested in the land and he want to use proxy the way they normally do in this country to take the land from the back door. But that's an allegation. No, quote me anywhere. I'm ready to defend whatever they have said. And this is exactly what he did in Port Harcourt. Once you are in disagreement with him, he go and demolish your property, he go and revoke your property. This cannot be done in Abuja. It cannot be done in Abuja. This place, we own it together. The single couple that was damaged over this property will be paid by the government, including Wike. Anyone that we could not collect before the tenure ends, Wike will pay even after the tenure. Anyone you couldn't pay now, you give us the remaining balance. Here is no reverse. He will pay.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. So don't watch that video. The only advice where I go give this our brother and I be say, waiting happen to you, Oga, now you want that. Because for this one, I no go say I support you. I know Blabbers gist no go support you at all. Because if I may recall right now, this project is recently. where you see wetin dey happen for inside the whole Nigerians, wetin Wike do our people for Rivers State, wetin Lagos State dey do our people. This one no give you a green light to look for. Let me tell you people, do you know why insecurity the things dey happen for inside Imo State? Because Imo State is developing fast in terms of let me say in terms of maybe real estate. Imo State is developing fast in Southeast and Enugu. So why don't you take even Anambra sef? Why don't you take that money and go to Anambra or to Enugu and establish something that will attract other people to that particular place, and you take it to Abuja? Although it's your money, but hey, oga no come social media come cry for us, so settle with Wike. My people, share this video for more updates as e dey hot.